Hello everyone, my name is Tâm from Vietnam, and today I would like to make a video to record my steps and process of creating a digital board game. The first I do copy and paste the link. Copy and I paste. Okay. I will copy another. Yes. And this is board games template by Nivis Torresi, and I can create another of myself. For example, is here. I can rename, for example, by any case, and you can see that it have a start here. Image 1, card 1, image 2, card 2. You can see we have 5 images and 5 cards like here, and I can create by another picture. I delete it and I insert another picture from my computer. For example, I put this picture, yes, and I can add it for bigger, for example, like that, and I can change the content. For example, what can she do for suitable with my students and similar with other case. And after finish 5 images, I next to the cards also fill 5 cards on face, and I will add it suitable with my students. For example, is maybe 45 or 33. Okay, and after finish, I will click on File and download by PowerPoint or PDF. Okay, for example, I create by PDF. So I have done edit the board game of Miss Nivis Torresi, and now I want to turn to another part that make a video to record step and proceed. The first, I come to the website tools4educators.com. You can see here there are many things you can create. For example, word search, crossword, board games, bingo, math, spelling, or you can create certificates. And at this time, I will make printable board game. Okay, I click here, and this is many topic. For example, animal, pronouns, bathroom, questions, etc. And I choose the topic fruit. I click on imagine and take, and you can see there are 15 pictures, and each link you will choose a type of fruit. And vegetable, I choose apple, and this one I choose bananas, carrots, corn, cherries, mango, grapes, plum, olives, pineapple, pear, strawberry, blackberries, watermelon, and here is maybe blueberries. So I have choose picture of fruits and vegetables, and next to the text for the first block it may be move ahead 3, go back start, lose turn. It's maybe here I'm to go back to start. Okay, so after to picture and text, I will click on make it. So now I have a printable board game for students. I can print it or you can reload. Okay, that I have done printable about fruits. Okay, and you may choose others, for example, crosswords. Similar to I have done bingo. Yes, it has same ideas. Can make both opposite. Many you can go this page and it's have very clearly guide. You can see here. Okay, so I have done printable board game. So I hope that you will give me some comment to do it better. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.